Hello students, today we are going to learn about the Java. The first things we have to understand about the Java, that is given in Unit 2, Introduction to the Java Programming. So first we will discuss about this, that what is Java, who developed the Java, and what are the features of the Java, and then after we will understand object oriented programming language. So in this session we will understand about the Java, features of the Java, and compiler, interpreter, bytecode, source code, and a simple Java programs. So let's start. This is the things that we have to understand. Now, first things, what is Java? So Java is an object oriented programming language and it is platform independent. Now, what is platform independent? What is object oriented programming language? We will discuss later. And also Java is a case sensitive programming language. So simply, what is Java? You can say that Java is an object oriented programming language. It is a platform independent programming language and it is a case sensitive programming language. Now the question is, who developed the Java? Java developed by James Gosling in 1991. The first version of the Java is developed in 1995 with name Java 1.0, and then continuously within 1 or 2 years it revised the addition of the Java like Java 1.1, Java 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. The latest one is Java 1.8. Now, to understand the platform independent and object oriented programming language, we have to understand first what is Java compiler and what is interpreter. First, whatever the code that we write in Java with the extension .java, which is known as source code, that one is known as source code. This source code is converted into bytecode through the compiler. One thing that you have to remember here, the Java compiler name is Java C. So what is the name of the Java compiler? Java C. You will not use this directly because you have to run the Java program in the BlueJ environment. So BlueJ is a user friendly, and this is the application. BlueJ is an application which developed Java on that particular interface. So it is very user friendly, where we will write the program and we will compile the program, we will get the output. So no need of compiler and interpreter. But internally, if you have to make the compilation of the code, so how it compile? Whatever the things we write, that is known as source code, and this source code is converted into bytecode through the compiler, and again this bytecode is converted into machine language through the interpreter. Now one question is here, that what is the name of Java interpreter? So Java interpreter name is Java. Now you can see Java uses both compiler and interpreter. So it is one feature of the Java. You can write that Java uses both compiler and interpreter. Now one more thing I want to explain here, what is compiler and interpreter. As we know, that compiler is a software or application software which compiles the source code into machine language directly as a file, not line by line. Okay, but interpreter convert line by line. So here it directly converted into bytecode, and again bytecode line by line checked by the interpreter and then converted into the machine language. So it is a robust programming language because the security level is very high, security level 1 and security level 2. Now the question is, what is platform independent and why we called Java platform independent programming language? Okay, this is because the source code through the compiler it converted into the bytecode, and this bytecode can be executed in Windows, in Mac operating system, Linux. It's multiple platform. The operating system, if you're having the laptop or PC, on that either it will be the Windows, Mac or Linux. So if you're compiling this program into the Windows, that can be executed in the Mac operating system also and Linux also. So what happened here, it will not depend on a particular operating system, particular platform. It can be executed on any platform. That's why we called Java is a platform independent programming language. This one. Understood? Now what is the simple code that we will write in the Java, and what are the steps used to write the Java programs? Now see, this complete program known as source code. Okay, now the first simple Java program, from where we will start writing, from import java.lang. What is this? Lang. Okay, lang. L is here, L-A-N-G, lang. And then dot and then a star. What does it mean? Is it necessary to write in each program that import java.lang? So first, one thing you understand, import is a keyword. Okay, import, what is import? Import is a keyword, predefined keyword, which is used to include the package in the working program. Working program means what? This program where we are going to write the code. So what is import? Import is a keyword or a statement which is used to include the package in the working program. So java.lang is a package. Java.lang is a package which we are going to include in this program. Is it necessary to write in the all program? No, it is not necessary, because java.lang is a package. Java.lang is a package which is a default package. Default package of Java. Default package means what? Either if you will write this, it will work properly. If you will not write, then also it will work properly, because by default it will come here and all the classes defined in this package can be used simply. Now again I'm telling one word, package. What is this package? Package is a collection of class. What is this? It is a collection of classes. I will discuss everything about the classes, about the predefined classes, user defined classes but simply you understand package is a collection of classes. Now whenever we have to use the classes defined in this particular package, we have to include this package in the program. How we will include? Through the import keyword. Through the import keyword we can include the package in the program, and through that we can use all the classes defined in this lang package. And this dot is an operator which is used to access the class from this package. I told you that package is a collection of class. So in this lang package multiple classes are there. So whenever we have to use the classes, you have to use the dot keyword, like lang dot a star. This is called asterisk. In Java we call this asterisk. Asterisk means all. Means in the lang package how many classes are defined, we want to use all these classes here. So I wrote a star here. A star means all. A star means all. Means all the classes defined in the lang package now we will able to use here. So one thing you have to remember here, one question may come from this particular thing, that what is the default package of the Java. You have to say java.lang package is the default package of the Java. Now next I wrote class. What is this class? Class is also a keyword. Here class is a keyword which is used to declare a class. Here program is the user defined class. This program is a user defined class, or this one is the name of class. This one is name of class, and this class is a keyword which is used to declare the class. Program is the name of class. This class is a keyword. So simply in one line you can say the class is the keyword which is used to declare the user defined class. So program is what? Program is the user defined class or name of the class. Whatever you want you can keep here, like program 1, program 2, my program, my class, whatever you want you can write here. Even your name also you can write here. But we write the name of the class according to the requirement of program. Okay. Naming convention are also there, that if you want to write the class name from the numbers, starting from the numbers, you cannot write. You cannot use the special character. A special character means a star, dollar, and you cannot use like this type of symbols, okay, before that. And numbers also you cannot use. After this you can use, like program 1 you can use, but one program you cannot use. Okay. So what is class? Here only in the first chapter I will discuss about the class and objects, but here simply you can say this class is a keyword which is used to declare the user defined class. Okay. Now move ahead and see the declaration of main method. This is the main method, okay, which is also known as entry point of the compiler. Entry point of the compiler. Entry point of the compiler means compiler start compilation of the code from the main method. That's why we call the main method is the entry point of the compiler. This is the main method, okay, and this one is the declaration of the main method. In each program we will declare the main method like this only: public static void main string args. Here public is an access specifier. What is public? Access specifier. Access specifier. In coming chapters we will discuss what is access specifier. There is mainly 3 types of access specifier there. public, private, protected. We will discuss these things, but now only you understand that public is an access specifier which specify the accessibility of the methods and variables. What is methods, what is variable, we will discuss it. This is the first session. So little bit, if you are understanding 30% of this concept, then you are going to understand all those things in the coming chapters. Okay, so don't take tension. Now only you understand public is an access specifier. A static is a keyword. Also we will discuss about the static in the coming chapters. And void is a return type. Thus now you understand void is a return type. In method declaration we will understand what is return type. And main is a main method. Okay, main method. And string args is a command line argument. This is called command line argument in the Java. Always it will be used. So understand one thing, whenever you have to define the main method in the Java program, you have to declare public static void main string args. Okay. Now inside this method we will write system.out.println, output method, to print the output, Whenever you have to print any output, we will use SOP, that is system.out.println. This method is defined in the lang package. System.out class is defined in the lang package, and this println method is defined in the system.out class. Now this complete we are able to use, this is because of this lang package. If lang package will not be there, then we cannot use it. If will not write here, by default it will come, as I told you in beginning only, that java.lang is a default package of the Java, so no need to write this, simply you leave it. For making understand, I wrote here, but if you will not write this statement, then still the program is correct, because this one is the default package. Okay, now inside this double quotation, okay, see, double quotation. What is double quotation? This one is the double quotation. So whatever the things you will write here, it will print in the output screen. So what I wrote welcome to Java. Now when you will compile this program in the BlueJ system, I will explain later how to compile in the BlueJ. But whenever we will compile this, what we will get? We will get the output welcome to Java. Okay, so for this session up to here only. Next class I will discuss about the object oriented programming. Here we will discuss about the class, about the object. Okay, what is class, what is object, and what is OOP, what is POP, everything we will discuss in the next session. So thank you.